collective ambition to drive the Philippines forward through industrial innovation, global competitiveness, and sustainable development. It is a convergence of visionaries, manufacturers, suppliers, technologists, and policy enablers who all share a common goal of making the country achieve the progress we envision with all the advantages presented today. The automotive and EV sectors are poised for remarkable growth industry globally, and the Philippines is ready to take on a bigger role. Our country sits at a strategic crossroads in the Asian Pacific, with preferential access to large markets, strong macroeconomic fundamentals, and a young, tech-savvy, and English-speaking workforce. From skilled workers and engineers to local suppliers and transport networks, the automotive value chain supports livelihoods across the country, particularly in regions hosting economic zones. Today, the Philippines is not only a consumer of advanced mobility solutions, but increasingly a contributor to the regional and global supply chains for automotive components, electronics, and EV-related technologies. From wire harnesses and semiconductors to vehicle electronics and power systems, our export base is growing, and so is our capacity for innovation. PEZA has long been a trusted partner of both local and international investors, championing ease of doing business, promoting strategic investments, and creating a conducive ecosystem for industries to thrive. Allow me to highlight the significant contributions of the automotive sector within PEZA-registered economic zones. About 66 PEZA-registered enterprises already injected over 121 billion pesos of investments from 2007 to 2024.